Her Majesty was pictured sitting in the back of a car on her way to St. Mary Magdalene Church near her Sandringham estate in Norfolk. The monarch chose a pastel yellow suit outfit paired with pearls and a matching hat to attend the Sunday church service. The black-rimmed hat with feathers to the front of it provided much-needed cover from the wet weather. Well-wishers gathered outside the entrance, patiently waiting to catch a glimpse of the Queen, 92. A lady-in-waiting accompanied the monarch on her short journey to the church. Her appearance comes a day after it was announced Prince Phillip, 97, would voluntarily give up his driving license. The Duke of Edinburgh had faced widespread criticism last month after his crash near the royals' estate in Norfolk. His Land Rover collided with a car carrying two women and a baby. One of the women was left with a broken wrist, and the other also required hospital treatment. The baby was uninjured. Just days after the smash, the prince was spotted driving without a seatbelt, causing a public outcry. Buckingham Palace confirmed on Saturday the Duke had already surrendered his license. After being criticized for his response to the crash, Philip wrote a letter to Emma Fairweather, 46, who had to undergo surgery for a broken wrist. He apologized to her and wished her a speedy recovery.